Imagine a classroom where the blackboard is a sandy beach, the school bell a reggae rhythm, and the school lunch jerk chicken. Picture this, a place where learning is as vibrant as the colors of the Caribbean sunset, where each day is a new adventure steeped in the rich culture and heritage of Jamaica. This isn't your typical classroom. Here, the lessons are as enticing as the aroma of freshly brewed Blue Mountain coffee, and the curriculum beats to the rhythm of Bob Marley's tunes. This is a place where education is not confined within four walls, but extends to the lush greenery of the island, the bustling local markets, and the warm, sandy beaches. It's a classroom that's as unusual as it is captivating, reflecting the unique cultural backdrop of Jamaican education. So, buckle up and get ready to immerse yourself in the world of Jamaican education, where the learning experience is as diverse and vibrant as the island itself. Welcome to the vibrant, rhythmic world of Jamaican education. Though our classroom may seem unusual, the Jamaican education system has its roots in a very familiar place. Jamaica, the vibrant island nation in the Caribbean, is known for its unique culture, reggae music, and a distinctive patois. But did you know that its education system originally sprouted from the British model? Yes, Jamaica's educational roots reach back to its colonial history, when the British introduced a formal schooling system on the island. In the early days, the Jamaican education system mirrored the British one, with a similar curriculum and teaching methods. The focus was on core subjects like English, math, and science. But over time, as Jamaica gained independence, the education system began to evolve, reflecting the island's own cultural identity and needs. The transformation didn't occur overnight, of course. It was a gradual process, with changes being implemented over several decades. The Jamaican government recognized the importance of an education system that would serve the unique needs of its people, an education system that would prepare Jamaican children for the challenges and opportunities of their homeland. So while the structure of the system remained similar to the British model, the content started to change. The curriculum began to incorporate elements of Jamaican culture, history, and values. English was still taught, but so was the Jamaican language and literature. Science and math were still important, but so were music and arts, particularly reggae music and traditional Jamaican art forms. Today, the Jamaican education system is a beautiful blend of British structure and Jamaican spirit. It's a system that respects its roots, but also celebrates its unique identity. It's a system that prepares students not just for exams, but for life in Jamaica and beyond. From British roots, Jamaican education has grown into its own unique rhythm. Every great journey starts with a small step, and in Jamaica, this step is taken early. In the heart of the Caribbean, the importance of education is understood and embraced from the start, with the first steps taken in early childhood. The Jamaican government recognizes the significance of these early years, and so they've set up a robust system of early childhood education. This is where the journey of learning starts, where the seeds of knowledge are sown, and the roots of education are firmly planted. With over 2,500 institutions in place, the Jamaican government ensures that every child gets the opportunity to start their educational journey on the right foot. These institutions are more than just buildings. They are environments nurtured to foster growth, curiosity, and a love for learning. But it's not just about quantity, it's about quality too. The curriculum is comprehensive and well-rounded, designed to cater to the holistic development of the child. From language and mathematics to social skills and creativity, every aspect of a child's growth is taken into account. This early education goes beyond the traditional academic subjects. It instills in the children a sense of community, a respect for their culture, and an understanding of their place in the world. It's not just about preparing them for the next stage of education, but equipping them with the tools they need to navigate life. In Jamaica, education is not seen as a privilege, but a right. It's not seen as a burden, but an adventure. It's not seen as a chore, but a journey. A journey that starts early, with small steps in the right direction. This is the Jamaican way, where the value of education is instilled from the start, where the journey of learning begins with the early years, setting the stage for a lifelong pursuit of knowledge. In Jamaica, education starts early, setting the foundation for a lifelong journey. In Jamaica, the journey to high school is more than just moving up a grade. It's a test of will, determination, and a little bit of luck. It's a journey that begins with the Grade 4 literacy and numeracy tests. These tests are more than just a routine assessment. They are the first stepping stones in a student's journey towards high school. They test the foundation of a student's knowledge, their ability to read, write, and understand basic mathematical concepts. It's these skills that will support them as they navigate the challenging waters of high school education. But the journey doesn't end there. Oh no, the most daunting part of the journey is yet to come. The Grade 6 Achievement Test, or GSAT, as it is commonly known. This exam is the gatekeeper to high school. It's the culmination of years of hard work, late-night studies, and countless revisions. It's an exam that tests not just the academic prowess of the students, but their determination, resilience, and grit. The GSAT results determine which high school the students will attend. The better the score, the better the high school. It's a system that puts immense pressure on students to excel, because the reality is, not every high school offers the same quality of education. So a strong GSAT score can open doors to better educational opportunities, setting the students on a path to success. The stakes are high and the pressure is intense. It's a journey that demands the best from the students, but it's also a journey that shapes them, molds them, and prepares them for the challenges that lie ahead. It's a journey that teaches them that success is not just about getting the right answers, but about the determination, the hard work, and the resilience it takes to get there. The journey to high school in Jamaica, then, is not just about growing taller, but also growing stronger. With a solid foundation and a challenging journey, where does Jamaican education stand today? In the present day, Jamaican education continues to echo its British roots while incorporating the unique rhythm of the island. It's a system that values the early years, with nearly 2,600 institutions dedicated to nurturing the minds of our youngest citizens. This emphasis on early childhood education sets the stage for a lifelong love of learning and lays the groundwork for academic success. But the journey doesn't end there. The transition from primary to secondary education is a significant milestone in the Jamaican education system. It's marked by rigorous assessments, from the Grade 4 literacy and numeracy tests to the Grade 6 achievement test, known as the GSAT. The GSAT in particular holds immense weight, with the results determining placement in high schools. The pressure to excel is intense, but it's a testament to the high standards set for Jamaican students. Yet, like any system, it's not without its challenges. The intense focus on testing can sometimes overshadow the importance of a well-rounded education. The pressure to perform can be daunting for students, and there's an ongoing conversation about how to balance academic rigor with the well-being of students. But the spirit of Jamaica is one of resilience and determination. Efforts are underway to address these challenges and further improve the system. There's a push towards more holistic assessments, a greater recognition of the importance of mental health, and ongoing efforts to ensure that every Jamaican child has access to quality education. So where does Jamaican education stand today? It stands as a system that values its students, that recognizes the importance of a solid foundation, and that isn't afraid to face its challenges head-on. It's a system that continues to evolve, to adapt, and to strive for excellence. Jamaican education today is a testament to its history, its journey, and the unwavering spirit of its people. So, what have we learned from our journey through Jamaican education? We've discovered a rich, vibrant system that's evolved from its British roots to something uniquely Jamaican. An education system that's as diverse and colorful as the island itself, blending traditional academic rigor with an undeniable island spirit. We've learned about the importance of early education in Jamaica, where the government provides support to over 2,500 institutions. These institutions serve as the building blocks, instilling in children from a young age the value of learning and the joy of discovery. We've also walked through the challenging journey to high school. The Grade 6 Achievement Test, or GSAT, is more than just an exam. It's a rite of passage, a milestone that determines the path students will take in their secondary education. And let's not forget the intense pressure on students to excel, a testament to the high standards and expectations placed on Jamaican youth. In exploring the current state of Jamaican education, we've seen a system that's brimming with potential, yet facing challenges. Despite these challenges, there's a palpable sense of optimism, a belief that education can be a vehicle for change and a tool for personal growth. We've also seen how Jamaican education isn't confined to the classroom. It's intertwined with the country's culture, its music, its community spirit. It's reflected in the reggae beats that pulse through the streets, the vibrant murals that adorn the walls, the lively debates that echo in the town squares. In essence, Jamaican education is a journey, a transformative process that's about more than just acquiring knowledge. It's about shaping character, fostering resilience, nurturing creativity, and empowering individuals to contribute to their community and their country. One thing is clear: in Jamaica, education isn't just about learning, it's about growing. As we look forward, the future of Jamaican education shines bright. Here, on this island of vibrant culture and indomitable spirit, education is not just about academic achievement. It's about nurturing holistic individuals who carry the heart of Jamaica wherever they go. The prospects for Jamaican education are exciting. There's a growing emphasis on creating a more interactive, student-centered approach, moving away from rote learning towards fostering critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills. This shift in focus is all about equipping Jamaican students with the tools they need to become independent thinkers and global citizens. The government, aware of the importance of education in shaping the country's future, continues to strengthen its commitment to this sector. Plans are in place to extend the support for early childhood education, recognizing its crucial role in laying the foundation for a child's future learning and development. Moreover, there's a drive to make secondary education more accessible, with the aim of eliminating the intense pressure associated with the Grade 6 achievement test. The vision is to create an education system that values every student's potential, moving beyond test scores to a more comprehensive view of a child's capabilities. In terms of higher education, there's an ongoing effort to increase its accessibility and relevance. The goal is to ensure that every Jamaican has the opportunity to pursue tertiary education, and that the courses offered align with the evolving needs of the global job market. In the realm of technology, Jamaican schools are also gearing up to integrate more digital tools into their classrooms. This is not just about keeping up with the global trend, but also about preparing students for a digital future, where technology will be part and parcel of every aspect of life. The future of Jamaican education holds promise, not just for the students, but for the nation as a whole. Each stride in education is a stride towards a more prosperous, equitable, and enlightened Jamaica. As we look to the future, we see a Jamaican education that continues to grow, evolve, and inspire. Our journey through Jamaican education may be ending, but the learning never stops. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on the vibrant and unique educational landscape we've traversed today. From its British roots to the reggae beats that echo in its classrooms, Jamaican education is a rich tapestry woven with resilience, creativity, and an unwavering commitment to learning. Let's not forget the early steps, where the seeds of knowledge are sown in the fertile minds of young learners. These initial stages set the rhythm for the educational journey, pulsating with the promise of a brighter future. And the journey to high school, a pivotal transition that tests and shapes the learners, preparing them for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. We've also delved into the current state of Jamaican education, a dynamic and evolving system striving to meet the needs of its students while preserving its unique cultural heritage. The key takeaways from our exploration underscore the importance of adaptability, inclusivity, and innovation in shaping the future of education. But the story doesn't end here. As we look towards the future of Jamaican education, we see a horizon filled with potential and promise. Emerging trends and advancements promise to transform the educational landscape, ushering in a new era of learning that is deeply rooted in Jamaican culture and values. So let's continue this journey of discovery and learning. Let's keep asking questions, seeking answers, and pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. Let's embrace the rhythm of continuous learning, for it's the beat that drives progress and fuels our collective growth. Remember, in the vibrant, rhythmic world of Jamaican education, every day is a new opportunity to learn, grow, and dance to your own beat. Thanks for visiting the channel. Please like and subscribe for more interesting videos.